So here we have the powder room, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before pictures and what we're gonna go ahead and renovate it to what it will look like. So at the top we have the soffit, which we're gonna go ahead and remove. And it's going to go ahead and provide a more brighter area. It's not going to look as dark because right now it has the little dark look to it. And then we have the glass in the back, which is the full length of the wall. We're gonna go ahead and replace that with a more natural look. We're gonna go ahead and place like a pebble look to it, which will go ahead and give it more, in nature, more of a modern look. And for the mirror, we're going to go ahead and place a circular mirror that's going to have the backlight to it. And this black tile is going to be removed with a white quartz. And the sink is going to be removed and it's going to be replaced with a vessel sink and a waterfall faucet. The cabinets are going to be replaced as well, and they're going to be floating cabinets with LED lights underneath. So it gives it more like a brighter area. It will look lighter. And then we have the tub. So this tub is going to be completely removed. We're going to have a stand-up shower. The tile is all going to be removed as well. And we have the soffit on this side as well. So this soffit is going to be removed and the lights will be coming from the ceiling. And it will have the cool lights, so it will give the room a more lighter hue to it. And the tile, everything will be changed, the sliding glass doors in here, so it will have the bathroom having a more brighter look to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the powder room to see how it was renovated. Welcome to our renovated powder room. As you can see, it looks very different. And we have the soffit that was removed up here. We have the cool lights. And then this is the natural pebble look that we had going. And we had the whole glass removed to accommodate for this beautiful piece. The circular mirror, which is also a touch screen. So you can go ahead and turn it on and off. We have the white quartz countertops that contrast beautifully with the darker cabinets down here. And we have the soft close. So they're really easy to open, close very nicely. And on the bottom we have the LED lights, which make the restroom have a more brighter look to it. Here we have the vessel sink. And with the vessel sink, we have included the waterfall faucet. And then once you turn it on, we have the light that changes colors. So over here in the shower section, we removed the soffit at the very top and anchored the light at the top of the ceiling. And we have the station shower head as well as the adjustable shower head. and we have the knobs here. The tile also has been replaced with a polished tile. And the bottom has the pebble look that also matches the other side of where the mirror is. And then we have these beautiful glass doors that have the sliding feature at the very top. And then on this end of the shower, we also have installed a shampoo shelf. So you don't have everything cluttered on the floor, you have an area for it inside of the wall. And then also the vent, we have replaced it with a more powerful vent, but it's also very quiet. And then we have switched out the amenities from a more traditional one to a more modern one. So what's neat is it floats, all the plumbing is actually inside of the wall. And another neat feature to this is it has the different types of flushes. So the one on the right side is the eco-friendly one, and then you have your traditional